Hi there, Robert Moody and Wally Wells out here at Pier 121 at the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today we want to show you a new Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS we just got in. It's a 2025. It's a gorgeous looking boat. Let's go inside and take a look.
Here on the transom of the 38 GLS, we have this hydraulic swim platform here that lowers to about a foot below the water, but it's an excellent bench seat. It's really safe because you're in the water, but also you're on the boat still. So a very safe place to hang out, enjoy the water. On the starboard side, we have the terrace that drops down that really adds a lot of deck space to the transom back here. And you can spin the backrest around to face the terrace so that you have a view from the terrace there. Also here in the cockpit, we have this big L-shaped seating area, lots of space, two of them for people to sit and enjoy. Also in the cockpit is the Kenyan electric grill, which is perfect for boats. You don't have to store any propane or charcoal. Refrigerator down below, storage space, sink. And then one really great thing about this boat is everything's on one level. So when you transit from the stern of the boat up to the bow, you go through this walkthrough. And up here in the bow, it's got seating that's very safe. It's deep. You got plenty of room for 4 or 5 adults. Charging ports, speakers, drink holders. Very comfortable place to hang out and enjoy the water.
Here at the helm, this boat is powered by twin Merc Cruiser 430 horsepower. They're 8.2 liter Merc Cruisers with the Bravo 3 drives on it. Of course, it's got the joystick control and skyhook and auto heading, all the features that make operating a big boat like this easy for anybody in the family to run the boat, dock the boat, skyhook, hold it off the gas dock or restaurant where you're getting stuff ready. Great features on this boat. Be happy to go over them with you. Also has some AC vents. There's air conditioner down below. I like that Cruisers Yachts does use a diesel generator, even on their gas-powered boats, because they run quieter, lower temperature, and rack up way more hours on these diesel generators. But you get some cold air here at the dash, which is really nice. Some red screens for navigation, the engine information on it. A really good-looking dash. Also very comfortable dash with the footrest, with the bolster seats. You can have it up if you want to sit tall, bolster seat to go down. It's double wide, so you can have a couple's night going across the lake. And if you need a little extra help seeing over people sitting in the bow, I love this drop down step, so you can step up and get a little more visibility on the boat. Really great layout on the cockpit here to run this thing. As we're making our way, before we go down into the cabin, got the bar stools here. So what a great place. So if you're running the boat, you can sit here and get wind in your face. Or once you get anchored out and all the fun's back here, turn right around, you're eating, snacking. You know, there's always food and drinks on a boat this size when you're out all day. So a great spot right here. If you had too much of the heat, you can go down below. But out here, it's not bad because we've got so much shade. There's this massive fiberglass hardtop. It does have an opening sunroof on it that's manual. And that power sunshade off the back. So even right now, there's probably 20 feet of shade here. Shade and a breeze makes it bearable in Texas. If that's still not cooling you off enough, then you just step right down here and get into the air conditioner cabin. So stepping down, great U-shaped seating area. I got a table that can expand to sit more people. This table can also lower and filler cushions here to make this into a berth. There's a microwave, a refrigerator, a TV downstairs. That same TV, you can move that upstairs and watch games outside, or move the TV back down here and watch it here. Another stereo control down here. So a great place to come down, sit down, get out of the heat, cool off. If you want to, lower this down, take a nap. The main bed in the boat is, go look in the back. A big berth in the back. That's going to be your main bed. Another TV back there. Great storage on both sides. And then also you got a really nice head compartment, air conditioner, AC vent, and a exhaust vent in there too. It is a wet head, so you can shower off in here if you need to, rinse off, you can do it. Really good looking head with a big window in it, a lot of storage.
Well, that wraps up this video for the 2025 Cruisers 38 GLS. I'm Wally Wells. This is Robert Moody. If you're interested in this boat, please call the number on the screen. For MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, thanks for watching.